Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the AIB something went wrong error. First, make sure that your internet connection is working properly. A weak or unstable network can cause this error. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the AIB Mobile Banking app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few while and reopen it. Then restart your phone to clear temporary system problems. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store and check if the app is updated to the latest version. Updates often fixes bugs and errors. If the problem continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, head over to your App Store, search for AIB Mobile and reinstall the app again from the official App Store only. If the issue still remains, it may be a temporary server issue, so try again later. That's how you fix the AIB something went wrong error. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.